Hello, everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video we will show you how to install a lithium battery pack into an RV battery cabinet. First, place the inverter on top of the battery box and reinforce it with screws. Second, connect the black negative wire of the lithium battery with the black negative wire of the inverter, and connect the red positive wire of the lithium battery with the red positive wire of the inverter. Third, install a protective box for the inverter and fix it. Fourth, install the lithium battery display at the appropriate location. Fifth, connect the fire wire, ground wire and zero wire to the junction box, and the lithium battery is connected to the inverter. Sixth, install the controller in the appropriate location, screws for reinforcement. Seventh, loosen the interface screws at the bottom of the controller. Seventh, loosen the interface screws at the bottom of the controller. Eighth, connect the positive and negative poles of the solar panel to the controller, PV plus and PV-. Ninth, connect the positive and negative poles of the lithium battery to the controller, BAT plus and BAT-. Solar panel, controller, lithium battery wire connection is complete.